Use the pump's mounting points to mark its position on the wall, ensuring it is installed at a maximum height of 1.5 meters from the floor. Then, drill the marked holes and secure the dosing pump using the screws and wall plugs provided in the package. After securing the dosing pump to the wall, remove the locking nut and the inlet protector. Then, cut the hose straight to ensure a proper connection. After properly cutting the hose, pass it through the locking nut and insert it into the nipple, ensuring it is pushed in until it touches the threads to prevent air ingress or chemical leakage. After correctly positioning the hose on the nipple, tighten the locking nut to ensure a firm and secure connection. After tightening the locking nut, extend the hose to the bottom of the tank and make a straight cut to the required length. Install a hose on the purge outlet and cut it to the required length so the chemical can return to the tank. On the left, we have a suction filter with an integrated level float, an optional accessory. On the right is the suction filter included in the package. For this installation, we will use the suction filter with the integrated level float. Pass the suction hose through one of the openings in the tank. Carefully remove the locking nut from the suction filter, ensuring that the retaining clip and funnel inside are not lost. First, slide the locking nut onto the hose. Then install the retaining clip and fit the funnel onto the end of the hose. Now slide the retaining clip to secure the funnel at the end of the hose. Then tighten the locking nut onto the filter until it is firmly secured. Finally, tighten the locking nut onto the suction filter. After that, release the connector. Then, pass the connector through one of the openings in the tank. Next, connect the suction filter assembly with the integrated level sensor to the connection port located on the bottom of the dosing pump. To complete the hose installation, apply thread seal tape to the injection valve to ensure proper sealing and prevent possible leaks during operation. After that, install the injection valve at the water treatment point, after the flow meter and before the static mixer. Remember to secure it firmly to prevent leaks and waste. Now unscrew the injection valve locking nut and insert the hose with the properly cut end, ensuring that it is fully seated against the base of the valve. Remove the locking nut from the upper head and remove the protective cap. Then cut the hose to the required length for the connection, ensuring it is properly secured to the pump head. Slide the locking nut onto the hose. Make sure the hose is fully seated against the base of the connection, then tighten the locking nut onto the upper head. Manual mode, used to perform constant and continuous dosing, regardless of the system water flow. Analog mode, used to receive external signals and adjust the dosing according to the input signal. This mode can operate together with a PLC using 0 to 10 volts or 420 milliamp signals to control the dosing rate. Divider mode and multiplier mode, used to perform dosing through pulse signals. Level sensor mode, used to configure the level sensor as normally open or normally closed. With these steps completed, your dosing pump is ready for operation. Before startup, verify that all connections are correctly installed.